Hello, I'm Melanie Mazarant, one of Springer Nature's account development managers. I conduct platform trainings and can answer questions about the usage of your content. I also work closely with your licensing manager, Christina Sontag. This demo of rdspringer.com will help you navigate the platform so you can easily access the research you need when you need it. I'll show you the content types available to you, ways to refine a search, and basic and advanced searching. rd.springer.com features over 10 million scientific resources for you to explore, such as journals, eBooks, conference papers, and videos. It delivers easy access to both Springer and Palgrave content. It's also built with web-responsive design, so content is automatically optimized for viewing on all mobile devices. Let's begin and try a basic search. Here we have an intuitive search bar. Let's enter human genetics. Okay, the search is recalling tons of results. Now, it's important that we narrow this down to make sure that we're getting the content we need for the research that we're doing. Over here at the left, we have different ways to refine our search. You can either select content type, such as articles, chapters, reference work entries, etc. Further below, we have high-level disciplines. This is the academic discipline area that publications fall into. Further down, we have subdisciplines that are specific to industry applications. And finally, at the bottom, we have language. And the majority of our content falls into the English category. However, we have quite a bit of content in German and other languages. Let's move on to advanced searching. And before we do this, we need to start with a fresh search. Just scroll back up to the top, select New Search. I also want to highlight our advanced search key, this gear to the right of the search bar. Select the gear and Advanced Search. Okay, we're at our Advanced Search page. I want to try the With All the Words field and select Toxicology. I also want to refine my search better, and I'm going to try the With At Least One of the Words field and select Cancer. And finally, I want the most recent content for my search. Let's go with the last 2 years, 2018 through 2020. Here's our refined search results. Now, if this is all you need, you can start browsing the content on this page. But maybe you want to save the search and review it later. Just go up to the right and click Download Search Results into a CSV file. Or you can subscribe to this page via RSS feed. Let's try another search, but let's clear out the previous one and select New Search. Let's go back to our Advanced Search tool. Okay, let's try with the exact phrase field and do molecular medicine. And I'm going to go down to the Where the Title Contains field to refine my search even further and search cancer. And finally, I want content from the last 3 years. Okay, we have a robust amount of results. So let's further refine our search. Let's go over to content type on the left and let's search for conference papers. Okay, we've narrowed it down. Here they are. Let's check out our first result. Using machine learning tool in classification of breast cancer. Once you're on the conference paper level, you can see the total of downloads and citations it received. Here's the citations. We also have a nice feature that allows you to email the author if you have any questions. Toggling over to authors and affiliations, you can see all the authors and the institution or corporation they're affiliated with. Scrolling down to the abstract, you can see all the keywords that helped you get to this research paper. You can continue to scroll, or you can go over to the right and view the paper's different sections. To download this, you can select Download Book PDF. If you need to cite the paper, we have this tool that will help you cite it. And you can also share the paper by clicking on this shareable link so that anyone you share this with can read the content. This is provided by Springer Nature's content sharing initiative called Shared It. Although this is a conference paper, we classify it as a book chapter. Your conference proceedings are considered book series, and therefore the interaction you have with the book chapter or book will look similar to what I just demoed here at the conference paper level. Now that you've seen a conference paper, let's go back to our search results and let's remove the conference paper filter. I still want to refine my search by content type, and I'll go over to the left to content type and select article. Here's our article results. Let's check out this one here. You'll see this article page looks similar to the conference proceedings. You can check out the author affiliations, and you can also cite the article. Again, you can share the link. You can browse different sections, or you can go and download the PDF of this article. We also have article level metrics. Accesses and citation counts are provided from Web of Science and Crossref. The counts may vary by service and are reliant on the availability of their data. The counts update daily once they become available. I also want to highlight additional information about the journal. I'm going to go back up to the top and go to this link and click on Journal of Molecular Medicine, the top level journal this article comes from. We have information on the journal, its impact factor. You can also review the editorial board. This will show you who's contributing from different institutions and corporations. You can also sign up for alerts to subscribe to article abstracts by RSS or register for journal updates, which will give you table of content updates right to your inbox. If you're interested in further browsing, go back to the home page by selecting Search and then Home. Over here to the left, we've organized the content at rd.springer into different industry sectors. Let's select biotechnology. Now we have subclassifications of this industry. Let's see what's happening with pharmacology and toxicology. And again, use the simple navigation tools from before over to the left, such as content type, discipline, subdiscipline, and languages. Before I conclude this demo, I want to highlight our resource links at the top of the page. These link to all of our books and journals on rd.springer.com from A to Z. Now, if you're looking for a particular title, you can still enter it into the search bar here. Or you can select one of these resource links. I also want to point out that we have a new video series. Please look through our technology and medicine collections and let us know if you want to learn more about videos coming out this year. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you found this demo to be useful. Our goal at Springer Nature is to help researchers advance discovery by making their findings as accessible, discoverable, and shareable as possible. If you have questions about accessing your content, contact your Springer Nature Licensing Manager, Christina Sontag.